Suo definitely has some skeletons in his closet. He does? What? Not literally. Can you keep a secret? Do you know anything about my life? No, I do not. Good point. I hate it when people ask what my hobbies are or what I like to do. Like, I don't know, dude. I like standing in the river. It's always, why do you get in the river? And you're soaking wet. And never, how was the river? The river looks fun. Was it fun? Of course I have a lot of pent up rage, you fool. I have been the same height since I was 12. Fun fact, some of us are still it from a childhood game of tag. Way to f me up on a Tuesday. I had 57 lollipops yesterday because I couldn't find my headphones. Should I be concerned? You know, I expected better from you. Well, that was your fault. I got nothing to do with that. I am so unloved and abandoned and mistreated. And I'm going to die in the next 72 hours. Oh, so you're like a Tamagotchi. Yeah, but I've been forgotten in a junk drawer. My miserable Tamagotchi life. Why can't I just bite people when they piss me off? Like, what's the f***ing issue here? Punching isn't even enough anymore. Sakura, please! I'm begging you to go to a doctor! Oh, I'm sorry. Is this our stab wound? No? Then stay out of it.